leg which is inside down and keep the touch down. And let's start with right hand. Everyone, welcome back to the practice. Today we are going to do strength flow. So let's get started. Come into a child's pose, open the knees wider, bring the toes together and bring your palms to the front. Try to touch your forehead down and relax here. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Set an intention for today's practice that we will give our best, whatever our body allows us to do. With that intention in mind, slowly let's come up into a tabletop position. Okay, we are going to do few rotations around our wrist. Let's get started from the front, right, back and left. 2, continue, let's warm up the wrist. 3, 4 and 5. Okay, let's go anti-clockwise as well. 1, move your hips also. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, nice. Bring the palm at the back, palm facing front, finger facing back. Push your hips back, let your wrist come off the mat and come front. We are going to repeat this. 2, 3, very important to warm up the wrist, okay, whenever we are going to do strength flows. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, bring the fingers facing out and we'll go side to sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, very nice. Keep the palm slightly front, more than the tabletop distance. Okay, more than the tabletop distance. Arch your back as you lean forward and then push the hip back, round the back. Yeah, let's go. Arch your back, lean forward, push your hip back, rounding the back. 3, arch your back, lean forward, round the back, push back. 4, arch your back, lean forward, exhale and round your back and go back. Last one, arch your back, leaning forward, exhale and round your back. Let your hip come on the heels and rest here for a while. Take one deep inhale and exhale out completely. Let's come up. Okay. Bring both the knees together, feet together. Let me adjust my hair. Okay. Let's go. Both the knees together, both the feet together. Don't arch your back, round the back. Keep the palm slightly front. Go incline. We are going to do Chaturangas for 6 counts. Okay. Let's do it as much as our body allows today. Okay. With no judgment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, very nice. Open the knees wider, tuck the toes and come into a downward dog position. Okay, let's rest here for a while. Deep inhale and exhale. Slowly move forward, keep the knees down. Bring the palm back. We are going to push with our palm. Open the shoulders up and lift the knees up. Okay, let's go. Tuck the toes at the back. Lift the knees up, hover the knees. Go into downward dog. Bring the knees back, hover and down. 2, hover the knees. Downward dog. Bring the knees, hover and down. 3. Lift the knees up, stay, downward dog, hover the knees and down. 4. Hover the knees, lift up, downward dog, hover the knees and down. Hover the knees, downward dog, last count, okay? Hover the knees and stay. Stay there, keep pushing your palm up, up, up. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I know it's shaking, right? Very slowly release. Okay. Tuck the toes at the back, go into a child's pose. Just one breath, okay? A deep breath in and exhale out slowly. Okay, very slowly come forward, tuck the toes at the back and come into a downward dog position. Okay. We are going to touch alternate hand and leg. Let's start with right hand, left leg. Catch, change, left hand, right leg. It's okay if you are not able to catch, just try, okay? Very important that we try doing things, okay? We should not assume that we will not be able to do, so why to try? Continue. And same applies to our life, right? We never know when our assumptions go wrong, and it goes wrong every time, I feel. Okay, continue one last time and bring the palms front. Okay, from here lean forward, come into a plank position. Okay, we are going to go into a plank and then downward dog and repeat it for 6 times. Okay, into a plank, go back into downward dog, into plank. So you have to keep moving your palm, okay? Keep your core intact. And back, plank and back. 2 more times, plank and back. Last one, plank. Stay here. Okay, from here lift your right leg up and hold here, only for 5 counts. Okay, let's stay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Drop them down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, do you want to raise both the legs also? Okay, bring the right leg up to your. Okay, from here leaning into the plank, try to lift the right leg, try to touch your elbow, right elbow and down. Okay, and then back. We are going to do 5 on each side. Let's start. 2, down and back. 3, touch, down and back. 4, touch, down and back. Last one, 5, touch, down and back. Stay in the plank. Let's repeat on the left side. Okay, lift the left leg, try to touch your elbow, down and back. 2, elbow, down and back. 3, elbow, down and back. 4, elbow, down and back. Last one, elbow, down and back. Okay, very slowly from here only bring your left leg to the left hand to the center and turn into a side plank. If you are not able to do this, you can keep your leg which is inside down and keep the hand up. Okay, let's stay here for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very slowly change, bring your right palm down, left hand up, keep pressing with your palm and stay here for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I am getting a very good view of a dog, very cute dog, so I don't feel like coming out. Okay, but for all of you sake, I'll come down. Okay, very slowly keep the knees down and sit on your heels. Let's open the knees wider and come into a child's pose. Let's relax our shoulders for a while. Take a deep breath in and exhale out slowly. If you are doing this practice in morning, try to feel the strength and absorb this strength. Let it stay for your entire day. not just in the body but in the mind as well. Very slowly, let's come back. Thank you all for joining with me today. If you like the practice, don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you have any questions or any comments, drop them down below. I will answer it as soon as possible. Thank you and see you in the next class. Bye.